Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today will be a wig review on this lovely unit I got from Allove Hair. This wig came with a bag, of course, and some other accessories. The usual, like a wig cap and all that kind of stuff. So, in a pamphlet to show you like all the wig's information. So, the wig itself, I feel like the hair is very, very nice. I did have to make some adjustments, but also I was going to lift the wig. The details of the wig, by the way, before I forget, it's a 24-inch, a 4x4 lace closure, and of course it has 4 combs and adjustable straps on the back. So I felt like the wig felt like it was very high quality. So I felt like it could probably take some heavy bleaching, and as you'll see throughout the video that it does. So I was very happy about that because not all wigs can take bleaching. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get into this process. Okay, my process is really nothing spectacular. I just go ahead and take the Clairol basic white powder, bleaching powder, and I mix it with 20 developer. So some people, they do it with 40. I'm going to start off with 20 because I was not sure how the wig was going to take to, lifting it, which you always want to do. You always want to do like a test strip. And for me, I always start off with a 20 developer. I don't go all hard with the 40. So I'm gonna go ahead and put on the canvas head. I do have one of those trash bags that you get like from the dollar store. I have it protecting my canvas head, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and start slopping this. Well, really not slopping. I'm gonna start brushing the bleach all over the wig. So it does take a while, and then also you want to be sure that you are in a well ventilated area in your house, or you have the windows open or something, because the smell can get pretty strong. So the first thing I noticed also with the wig as I was bleaching it is that the wig took to the bleach very fast. So as you can see, when I wasn't even finished with the wig before I could start seeing the wig start to turn, start to lift, which for me is a good thing, because if it takes a while for the bleach to take, that means it's going to start damaging the hair. So the faster the hair can lift, the better. And this is just with a 20 developer too, because I've had a couple of wigs I just had like 20 developer, and it just didn't take very well. And then I wound up letting the bleach sit too long, and then the wig start to the actual hair of the wig start to get damaged. So I was able to do the entire wig. I should start with the top because I didn't know it was going to take to the bleach so well. And then also I'll start running out of bleach. So, but it turned out pretty good. This is how it looks when it's all finished and washed and air dried. So, as you can see, it has like a warm copper color. I did shampoo it and condition it in shimmer lights, but I didn't add any toner because I kind of like the way it looked off the bat. So I might make some adjustments to it later. I'll put a video up for that. More than likely I will. More than likely I'll color it again. But for now, I'm going to enjoy the color that I got from the first bleaching. So right after, I'm going to put in the Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine oil, to add a little luster back into the hair. The hair actually was not, it didn't break or was as brittle as I thought it would be from lifting it. Because, lifting any type of hair, whether it's on your head or on a wig, it's a very harsh process. So I was very happy with the way the wig reacted to me lifting it. And I got to little to no shedding. Like as I'm brushing it right now, it's not shedding. So I was really, really happy about that. So that let me know that I don't know what they did to this wig, but it's pretty good quality. It's pretty good quality. I was happy with it. And so now I'm just gonna go through and pluck it just a little bit on the lace, just to, kind of make it just a little more natural looking, the hairline just a little more natural. And then, of course, I'm going to do the process I do with all my wigs. I'm going to take a hot comb and start laying that down, and just making sure, like it's just laying flat, because you know how it goes. You don't want it to be looking all bulky when you have it on your head. Now, also, I think I skipped this part filming it, but I did put the Gossipy Freeze Spray before I actually started using the hot comb. So just doing that, making sure all the baby hairs are like all the flyaways are, you know, like put down and gelled down, and also using the hot, putting the freeze spray on before using the hot comb also helps me mold the hair when it's like, oh, on the lace, if that makes any sense. Because you know, sometimes you want it to be like kind of styled already. So, anyway, yeah, that's what I mean. So, now I'm just going to take this wand that I always use from Doville, and I'm just going to go through the whole head using the biggest barrel that they have. It gets hot very, very easily. So, I just turn it on, and in no time at all, I can go ahead and curl the wig. Now, I don't know if everybody knows this, but I'm going to go ahead and say y'all probably already know it. I'm always slow to stuff. But as you're doing these curls with your wand, every so often, put one of the curls in the opposite direction. So you'll have like pretty nice beach waves. So, because you know, sometimes we do everything in the one direction, everything will like kind of do like the curly Sue effect. And so you don't want that. So to give you nice beach waves, that's just a little curling trick. You just every so often you get a clump, do it, curl it in the opposite direction of wherever your curls are going. So just do that. You'll see a difference if you didn't already know that. Okay, so now I'm going to be applying the Ghost Bond wig adhesive to my hair. Don't look at my wig cap, okay? It's the same one I used in my last video. I just reused it, y'all. I went ahead and would gently took off my last wig, and my wig cap was still intact. So I was like, guess what? I'm gonna use it again, and that's what I did. So anyway, um, yeah, I'm just gonna take that and slather it on, and I'm also gonna let it dry. So look, let me tell you something. This Ghost Bond, it really honestly, when it's dry, before you actually lay your wig down, it needs to actually look clear. And when it comes to my wigs, I lose patience very fast. So as you can see, sometimes when I'm laying my wigs down, the glue is already white. But do as I say, not as I do, because like it makes the hairline a little more messy when you do it like that. It takes more finessing to get the white residue off if you are not patient like me. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace. It's glued down pretty good. I'm gonna cut this lace off, and with some little scissors. I got these scissors from Walgreens, and getting small detail scissors like this is actually like for eyebrows or whatever. It really does make a big difference. I highly suggest getting small scissors. Don't use regular scissors, you know, with the wide, with the, not the handle, you know, like the scissor part. Make sure it's like small and narrow so you can get up in there. So also, a big helper when you are molding your, or like gluing down your lace, when you're blow drying it, do it on medium heat. Like make sure you put some heat on it, because it's gonna help everything kind of smooth down a little better. Y'all see how my hairline has a little white residue? Like it's gonna go away, but like dang, like I have to really do a lot of stuff to it to get rid of that white residue on the lace. You know, it's kind of clockable. So anyway, laying down the baby hairs. I think I'm slowly getting better at baby hairs. What y'all think? Like, I know y'all be watching these and y'all be like, oh, she needs some practice. I'm practicing, I promise. But yeah, I'm getting better. I think if you like rewind and watch some of my old videos, you can see like the improvement. But y'all let me know down in the comments, because sometimes I think I be doing good, and sometimes I be looking, I'm like, I was happy with it, but as like a video, I feel like I still have room for improvement. So thank y'all for like being here for my like wig journey. You know what I'm talking about? I'm still trying to get it together. One day I'm gonna be slaying these like Malibu doll face. I promise you, just stay here for the ride. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and tie this wig up so I can make sure these baby hairs are laid down and trained, because you know I don't want anybody to really be clocking me like that. Okay, so I went ahead, took it off. It's dried up, you know, and I went ahead and gave myself a little side part. So this is how the hair looks. Like, look at that color, like that, like it has dimension, and I wasn't even trying. So sometimes, like when you're lifting it, it just be looking like you'll have to do a whole bunch. Like, this is the best styling job ever, and I wasn't even trying. So I really do like the different dimensions in the hair, how, like, you know, it looks like it's like a little highlighted, you know. And that's the back of the hair. But yeah, I'm gonna go back and do more to it because I really like this wig. I'm gonna play with it some more. Thank y'all guys for watching, and I'll check y'all on the next one. Bye.